Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Exciting updates. Tomarket listing, $TOMA snapshot, and tokenomics unveiled. The countdown is on for Tomarket's highly anticipated $TOMA listing, and the crypto community is buzzing with excitement. Here's everything you need to know about the snapshot, token distribution, and how this could be your chance to get ahead in the game. Snapshot alert. Mark your calendar. The official snapshot for $TOMA is set for December 18, 2024. At 1600 hours, UTC plus 8. To qualify, users must achieve at least Silver I in their Tomarket standings. This snapshot is a big deal. It's your ticket to securing a share of $TOMA tokens before the listing officially goes live on December 20th, 2024. $TOMA tokenomics simplified. The $TOMA token supply totals a massive 1 trillion tokens, 1 trillion. Here's how they're distributed. 30% TG season, 47% listing season, including a 30% airdrop for users ahead of the listing, 10% investors, 8% team, 3% early adopter rewards, 1% ecosystem airdrop, 1% KO round. The 30% airdrop during the listing season is a golden opportunity for users to grab $TOMA tokens before they hit the market. Make sure you're eligible and ready for this. Partnership with Aptos, a game changer. Tomarket has joined forces with Aptos, a secure Layer 1 blockchain known for its speed and efficiency. This strategic partnership brings several exciting updates to the Tomarket ecosystem. Bigger farming pool rewards. Earn more for your engagement and contributions. Enhance liquidity. Enjoy smoother trading and better ecosystem performance. On-chain exchange. Seamless token trading is coming soon, making $TOMA transactions easier than ever. Aptos' ability to process millions of transactions with low fees makes it the perfect partner for Tomarket. Plus, the Move programming language ensures scalability and innovation for future developments. Claiming $TOMA made simple, no gas fees. Tomarket is making it easier than ever to claim your $TOMA tokens. There's no need to prepare APT tokens for gas fees. Instead, the platform will deduct a small portion directly from your $TOMA claim. This means you can focus on securing your tokens without worrying about extra hassles. Why this matters? The combination of airdrops, strategic partnerships, and a clear tokenomics plan highlights Tomarket's commitment to its community. With the listing date fast approaching, here's why you should pay attention. Early access advantage. Airdrops let you secure $TOMA tokens before the public gets them. Growth potential. Strategic moves like the Aptos partnership enhance ecosystem stability and scalability. Seamless experience. Gas-free claims make participating easy for everyone. What's next? As December 20th, 2024 draws near, the crypto community is eager to see how these developments impact $TOMA's value and Tomarket's growth. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a new player, this is your chance to be part of an exciting journey. Don't miss the snapshot on December 18th, aim for Silver I, and get ready for the $TOMA airdrop. Stay tuned for more updates, and get ready to join the future of crypto with Tomarket. The clock is ticking. Are you ready to claim your share of $TOMA?